Yo, what's good, guys? I cannot tell if the video is clear right now, but I'm just winging it. But I'm here at the post office. I got some items to ship off. I have the giveaway winner, the Jordan 1s and the hat, and then I have another crew neck that I'm selling. So time to ship. Let's go. I'm telling y'all, your boy ships ASAP. Y'all need to make purchases. Let's go. Sorry, I actually forgot to let you guys know that I'm actually headed to round 2 in LA with the Boo Boo and Buffalo Exchange to sell some things and hopefully pick up some things. So let's go to LA. Yo, what's good? Just got here, got the 2 duffels. We're about to get on some Melrose, head to round 2, check the fit. Put the baggy pants on, the parachute pants, tucked in guest shirt. Got the pink Cortezes on though. Let's go.
Let's go.
Alright, so we're waiting in front of round 2 right now. It's kind of crowded. There's actually a lot of people, but it's still crazy to me that the gallery... Wait, I don't know if you can see it right there. The gallery is just open to the public. Like, you don't gotta be like a star or like know anyone here. You just walk in. But we're here trying to make some money, so let's go sell.
People are going out. But we're going. Thank you. I know, but I still. Bro, how you been? Pretty good. How you doing, bro?
Roger. That rack and that rack. Oh, I put these over there, and if we have
not the shoes.
Oh, like that'd be the front.
Oh,
yeah, if we have anything left.
I've got any crazy pieces here.
Yeah, I haven't got a lot of good. We're still doing more.
All double XL.
That's all I think.
Trying to keep the trunk situation.
What size did you get?
It was the last one on the ground.
How big is the pants? Crazy. Some boots.
I recognize it's a little star.
Okay. It's kind of fire. Roger, you guys call me fat. Probably just grab this stuff. I guess the main stuff I'd have questions on would be this and the tricks. I think I paid $350 for the last tricks. What was retail?
Like 360.
What do you want for this? I don't know. I mean, where are you at with it?
I've seen them go for
200?
I've seen them go for
Okay. Yeah, I was probably like 100. So I don't think we'll sell it at 2. It's definitely comfortable.
Where were you at on those?
I was at 40 and 30. So,
Okay.
4, 520. Try that on.
Oh yeah.
Probably will.
No, the jacket might fit you. But the pants.
I'm talking about the polo.
Oh, the polo. See if it it.
Probably too small.
That might be. No, dude.
I don't wear polo. This is kind of cool.
$5.20, not too bad. It was tight because Luke actually, dang, extra loud. Luke actually purchased the Ralph Lauren country jacket and he wore it. Obviously it fits on that. Looks super fire on body with him. It was a little shorter on me, so it fit him perfectly. But yeah, cashed out $5.20. Don't trip, boo boo. Gonna take the rest to either Wasteland or Buffalo Exchange and see how much else we could get. Basically everything's covered already, so let's go make more.
Hey, buddy.
What up, dog?
Hey.
Just chilling right there. Decided to switch out to the slides. Had to get a little more comfy. You know, I had to throw the pink Cortezes on just to flex for the picture. Gonna get to Wasteland now. Camping up over there, so I'll let you guys know. Alright guys, so just sold there at Wasteland. Ended up cashing out. They actually wrote me a check for $126. Oh, savior. Appreciate it, man. Dang. Dude. Almost forgot my phone. Damn, that dude's a good guy, man. He gave my phone back. But yeah, I cashed out. They gave me a check for $126. Just keep in mind that everything that I'm selling is already profit because I cashed out to make myself even and more just by selling those brown Nike Cortezes, the leather ones, like the 1980s ones. So everything from then was just basically profit. So your boy's cashing out. So last stop is gonna be Buffalo Exchange. The Boo Boo has some stuff to sell there too, as well as I do. I basically go round to Wasteland, Buffalo Exchange because the payout becomes less and less from those 3 stores top to bottom. But yeah, we're gonna head to Buffalo Exchange. We're gonna see if we can find some steals there, some cozy attire, like some sweats or sweaters, because the Boo Boo is about that cozy life now. See the shoes and the sweats? Let's go! Yo, so we just parked here at Buffalo Exchange, but once again not allowed to film, so we're gonna head in there and I'll let you guys know how much we make. Let's go. Yo, I know it's kind of dark right now. Got my phone light giving the lighting to my face, but I just got to my first house call of the night. I have one right now and then I have another one at 8 o'clock, so I got an hour and a half to knock this one out and get to the other house. So let's go custom hair. Hit him with the skin fade, mid fade. Homegirl did the braids though. Let's go. Yo, what's good guys? I just got to the second house call, so it's time to knock this one out. Let's go. Cut it down. Let's go. Alright, so I just wanted to show you guys how much I made today. Show you guys proof. Here's the money from round 2. This is the 520 right here. And then from Wasteland, you can see right there I made 124.60. Right here, this is the money from my haircuts today, about $73. That was 2 house calls. And then this was from Buffalo Exchange. We only sold like a couple pieces, so that's why it was only a little bit. But the rest of the items will be for sale, but just wanted to show you guys proof of how much I made today. So let's go. Oh, let's go. What's good guys? So I just got back home from cutting hair. Time to unwind. But yeah, I just got done cutting hair. I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This was Selling Sessions episode 10, I believe. I haven't been to round 2 in a while, so it was cool to see everyone again. Shout out to Sean, Chris, Jay, and OG Luke. If you want to see the picture that me and Luke took for the Instagram, he actually bought a jacket off me. You guys saw the jacket that he bought off me, and he actually wanted it for himself. So we took a picture with him in it, and it looked super fire on him. Glad that he picked it up and glad that it went to a good home. But with that being said, that's gonna end the night and that's gonna end this video. Time to go get some rest. You already know the slogan, so let's wrap it up. Amen to cozy. What is good? Good night.